Acupuncture is my life. AcupunctureIsMyLife. Let us begin.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my show. Now this week I experienced a patient who suffered from insomnia for an extensive period of time. Now insomnia is basically seen as the inability to experience normal sleep. Now it's a disorder that has several presentations, including trouble falling asleep, waking up several times throughout the night with an inability to return to sleep, a restless state between sleep and wakefulness, inability to enter a deep sleep or having nightmares, dream-disturbed sleep, and the inability to sleep the whole night through. The individual would also have headaches, dizziness, palpitations, and forgetfulness, which usually accompanies insomnia. Now, the amount and quality of sleep depend on the person's state of mind, which is rooted in the heart and is normally nourished by heart blood and heart yin. Insomnia is induced by pathogenic factors agitating the heart or by malnourishment of the mind. Now, general etiology and pathogenesis to this disorder are 1. Emotional stress, such as anger, which injures the liver in Chinese medicine, causing liver qi to stagnate and liver fire to blaze and disturb the mind. Another is prolonged illness that can weaken a person's constitution and exhaust kidney yin. Now, deficient kidney yin fails to nourish the heart yin, which also becomes deficient, and heart yang then becomes hyperactive because heart yin is no longer able to contain it, and it would lead to empty fire agitating the mind. Now, a patient can also suffer from qi deficiency of the heart and gallbladder. A constitutional weakness of both the heart and gallbladder may shape a personality that is timid, cowardly, fearful, and indecisive. Now, this would lead to light sleep with frequent awakenings during the night, accompanied by panic, frightening dreams, and palpitations. Now, this area was the area that surprised my patient the most, whereby she stated she never figured improper diet can cause insomnia. I explained to her that overeating or excessive consumption of greasy, spicy foods can turn into food stagnation and phlegm heat in the stomach, whereby stomach qi would begin to rebel upwards and phlegm heat would harass the mind. Now, my patient had difficulty falling asleep, restless sleep, irritability, profuse sputum, chest stuffiness, and heaviness of the head. Her symptoms were aversion to food, nausea, vomiting, sour regurgitation, bitter taste in the mouth, and dizziness. Her tongue was yellow with a greasy coating, and her pulse was rapid and slippery. Now, my objective is to resolve phlegm, clear heat, harmonize the middle burner, and calm the spirit. Along with recommending an herbal formula, my point prescription consists of Shenmen, Sanyin Jiao, Anmian, Neiguan. With an added focus on phlegm heat, I included Fenglong, Danshu, and Chiz. The next afternoon, I'd received a call from that patient, and she stated the previous night was the first night she slept 7 hours and 40 minutes in almost 9 months. I recommended she see a nutritionist and to come back for 2 more visits to see if consistent sleep patterns can be established. But now there you have it, insomnia, my interesting case of the week. Now don't forget to subscribe to my show to learn more about traditional Chinese medicine. And until next time, acupuncture is my life. What's yours?